Hello, I'm Samat Sawan from TECom. Today we'll learn about how to install RapidMiner software and how to design started Snowflake schema, fact constellation schema in a bit to help use ETL tool. So basically, our title for our experiment is for an organization of a choice. Choose a set of business processes and start on Snowflake schemas for analyzing the process. Data fact cancellation schema by combining the extract data from different data sources, apply suitable transformation and load into destination tables in detail. So basically, a domain of city for experiment is to understand the basic status of Snowflake fact conversation schema. I learned rapid miner tool for performance various operation on builder external datasets. So basically, in this expert really we learn about how to demonstrate RapidMiner, how to demonstrate different operators and dataset in RapidMiner or software. And the third one is how to demonstrate the different operators available on the data. So this we need hardware requirements are CPU with the patent process or similarly 256 MB RAM, 1 GB hard disk or one software requirement. 32 OS is suitable. It's Linux Windows operating system, latest rapid bind. So basically now we will go through theory. So basically what does it tell me? So ETL stands for extract transformation and different RDBMS. So it transforms the calculation constantly, etc. And then they load the data to the warehouse system, and data loader in the data warehouse system is in the form of demonstration and factors. So basically, team tool is used for handling the large data set. So there are many steps for that. So here we have extraction URL certain area and require during a loss. There are various reasons why in strong area eco acquired the SOL system are only available for specific period of time to extract data. The period of time is less than the total reading time changing. All the area is required when you want to get data from multiple data sources to it. So data extraction time slot different system vary as per the time zone and operational hour. So this is an our data serves to engine area warehouses, data markets, operating system, operational system, flat files, mining, reporting, and so second is transfer in the data transformation. You will apply a set of function on extract data, could load it into a target that which does not require any transaction is known as direct most of pass through data. Load during the load phase, data is loaded into the target system and it can reflect or filter data warehouses. So tool for ETL is RapidMiner. So I have explaining about how to install a RapidMiner. So for that we just download the RapidMiner, or you can search on Google download or for downloading RapidMiner. Student will get their download. So after that you will after install just click on this are some terms and conditions which are required. So this is configuring rapid miner serving and this configuring rapid miner service database connection. So after this installation everything is loaded. We have to start first three schemas: star schema, snowflake schema and flax constellation. So basically what are the schemas? The star schema, for example, as we can see in the above given image, that the field stables in the center which contain keys like so. This one example for star schema dimension, they will factor will decide increment based on the star schema's characteristics of arguing that every dimension in the star schema represented with the only one dimension table should contain the set of attributes dimension table is joined to be the fact table using foreign key they are mentioned. They will or not join the each other factors table content. TM measures dimension table index normalized intents of the table to the right here. You have country ID mentioned here. So basically the schema is widely supported by BI tools. Similarly, for Snowflake schema or Snowflake schema, the extension of schema and it adds additional dimension is called as snowflakes because it is good is assembling like snowflakes and table are normalized, which splits the data into additional tables. In the following example, characteristics of snowflake schema, the main benefit is the smaller disk space. Second one is easy to implement. Then the third one is due to multiple table entries, performance is reduced, and the primary challenge that you will face using the flow system is need to perform more effort because of the word lookup table. So here is some difference between the star and snowflake schema. Dimensions are stored in the dimension table, and here the trees are divided into separate tables. It contains a fact table surrounded by dimension fact table, and that in star schema only one join creates the relationship between the fact table and dimension table. In snowflakes we have mainly runs. It has simpler database and it has very complex data. In star schema, data structure and queries are faster, and normalized data structure high level of data, very low level of data. So this one is example of style schema. So now we will learn about the RapidMiner software. So for that we have first step is to assign model RapidMiner. So I have installed the RapidMiner software and I have implemented all those requirements which are needed with the miner requirement, and this from start I will explain it as this one is all I have showing up there implementation. So I will show you first one. There are import data sources. So first one there is we will get importing where you have to select your database from where you have saved it to my computer database. Then next select data location. Then you have to select where you have saved downloaded the excel where I have saved in the downloads from the third step in the miner. I have taken showing data sets. So from there I have selected, I can click so after implementation, and you will get a responsive operator for new process. So this operator search retry is, and you will get retracted. From that you just drag and drop retry operator, and you have to select this right side of your after isolate your taking retry failure. At the right side you have to take the responsibility location. After that you can select local responsibility, and after that you can form data we have store. You can select our data, and then finally there we have to collect this house result operator. This is drag and drop line in the simple line normalized, and after that you will learn we will get 7 as we have this. I have selected 7, but I have implemented the I have selected all those rows. So here I am getting the results of all columns, and all this data is selected so that it was related to return. And secondly we can add install operator and correct. So just 980 from operator we can have to select the store operator and just add the this drag and drop the drag and drop. You will get this, and you can go after the store, and you can get to build this store after as per the requirement according to your data. So I have taken data, I have selected results. In results we can go to visualization, and here I have selected shots. You can also select the bar graph. You can also select anything which you require horizontally or any whatever in describing. I told him your output will be so. This was related to histogram implementation with the help of practice. We as well just go, we have different data sources, apply suitable transformation and local distinction. Thank you for watching.